When your Dell laptop isn't charging through a docking station, several technical factors could be at play. Understanding these root causes is essential for resolving the issue effectively. USB C power delivery has evolved significantly. The latest USB PD 3.1 standard supports up to 240 watts, but understanding power specifications is crucial for compatibility. Dell laptops typically require between 45 and 130 watts, depending on the model. High-performance laptops like the XPS series need more power, while basic models require less. Modern docking stations must provide sufficient power for both your laptop and connected peripherals. Thunderbolt docks generally offer superior power delivery compared to standard USB-C docks. Common culprits include insufficient power delivery, degraded USB-C cables, outdated firmware, and worn USB-C ports. Cable quality is particularly critical for reliable power delivery. Always ensure your power adapter meets or exceeds your laptop's requirements, and verify that USB-C cables are properly certified for the required wattage. Look for official USB certification logos when purchasing cables and adapters. First, verify your docking station provides sufficient wattage for your Dell laptop. Most Dell laptops require between 45 and 130 watts, depending on the model. Next, inspect your USB-C cable. Cable degradation causes 68% of charging problems. Use only certified USB-C power delivery cables rated for your laptop's wattage requirements. Update firmware on both your docking station and laptop. Firmware updates resolve 20% of charging issues by fixing power negotiation protocols. Inspect USB-C ports for physical damage or debris. Even small particles can prevent proper connection and power delivery. Update your USB-C and Thunderbolt drivers. Outdated drivers can cause power delivery conflicts and charging interruptions. Access your laptop's BIOS settings to adjust power management options. Set the AC power mode to maximum performance for optimal charging behavior. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider a dual power setup for high-performance laptops or hardware replacement. Remember, most charging problems are solvable with proper troubleshooting.